Hello everyone, welcome back to Pramuu Craft Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and aesthetic pearl beaded rings. It's easy, beginner-friendly, and perfect for handmade jewelry lovers. For this craft, you will need pearl beads, colorful center beads, nylon thread or fishing line, and scissors. You can choose any colors you like to make your own unique design. First, take your thread and start adding pearl beads to create the base shape of the ring. Slowly arrange them in a perfect circular form to fit your finger size. Take your time here to make it neat and even. Next, add the colorful center bead in the middle. This is the main highlight of your ring, and it gives that beautiful shiny look. Now secure it tightly by passing the thread through the beads a few times. Make sure everything is strong, tight, and well-shaped so your ring will last longer. Finally, gently adjust the beads and check the shape from all sides. You'll see how cute and aesthetic it looks already. You can repeat the same steps with different colors like red, green, blue, or pink to create a full set of beautiful handmade rings. Now look at the final result. Just see how beautiful and shiny it turned out. A simple few beads have turned into something so aesthetic and stylish. Honestly, it's amazing how something so small can look this pretty when you put it together with love. Look how cute and elegant these handmade rings are. They look like expensive jewelry, but you can easily make them at home. Thank you for watching Pramuu Craft Studio. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY jewelry ideas. See you in the next creative video. Bye-bye.